Little storyteller.
Percy Penguin waddled happily onto the sparkly ice rink. He wore a smart bow tie and held a clipboard. He wasn't skating today, he was judging the fluffy bunny. Belinda twirled beautifully. Percy watched closely, his little penguin eyes twinkling. That performance was fantastic. I give it an 8, he announced, making the audience giggle. Next, Freddie Fox zoomed across the ice, doing speedy spins. His orange fur swished as he moved. Percy tapped his flipper thoughtfully on his clipboard. A very real performance. 9 points. Percy called out with a smile. The audience clapped. Then came Rosie Rabbit. She tried a tricky jump but wobbled a little. Her long ears flopped. Percy was kind. That had a lot of soul. 7 points. Keep trying, he encouraged her. Rosie smiled and skated off. Finally, it was Ollie Otter's turn. He frightened gracefully, making smooth circles on the ice. The sun shone on his wet fur. Percy gave a big smile. Ollie, that was absolutely utterly amazing. 10 points. The crowd cheered loudly. Percy gathered all the skaters. You are all wonderful, he said. Remember, even if you wobble, trying your best is always the greatest catch. Everyone cheered and gave Percy a high flipper.
Please subscribe. Thank you.